Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add categories for WordPress pages. So very simple and basic way guys, just log in your WordPress dashboard, then walk cursor to plugins, then add new. Now here search post category. Now here search post tags and categories for pages. This one post tags and categories for pages. Install it, then activate. Now open your page. So this is the page. We can select category, and also we can add here tags. So this is the way guys you can add category and tags in your WordPress page. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe the channel for more useful videos.